Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create funnel chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, product list and total price. To create the funnel chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way, simply select inside the cell of this data and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the third option here, Insert Waterfall and Funnel Chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the second option, the funnel. Click on this funnel charts and here you can see your funnel chart is inserted in Excel sheet. If you want to increase the size of these charts, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of these charts. You can see in vertical, the product list is showing, the product name is showing, and same as in vertical, total price also showing with the funnel charts. Okay. And if you want to change the style of this chart, just go to the chart design. Okay. And in chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and just keep cursor on the every style of the funnel charts. And you can see the preview of this style. And after that, just click on OK, those you want. Okay, here you can see the chart style is so changed. If you want to change the layout, simply click on the charts and go to the chart design tab. In chart layout group, click on the quick layout option. And here you can see total 4 layout is available. Just keep cursor and you can see the changes on your chart. The layout preview you can check here and just click on it to apply on it. Okay. This is a way you can change the layout also. If you want to change the chart title, simply click on the charts and you can use here the backspace to delete this chart title and you can change easily. So I just enter here the title name. Okay. If you want to change the font size of the chart title, you can just simply click on it, right click of the mouse and click on the font option. Here the font dialog box is open. You can change the font style. So I select here the different style. You can increase the size of the font. You can change the color also, font. Underline also you can use here the different types of underlines. Underline color also you can use and click on OK. That's it. You can see the chart title is changed. I just changed the color because red color is not highlighted here. So I again go to the font and select here the yellow color. Okay, click on OK and see. Now chart title is showing the highlighted. Okay. And if you want to move these charts in another sheet number 2, then you can easily move this. Again, click on the charts and go to the chart design. In location, click on the move charts option. Here the one dialog box is open, move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. Okay. And select the second option, object in sheet number 1 is as default selected. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the sheet number 2 and click on OK. And that's it. Your chart is moved in sheet number 2. In sheet number 1, only the data shown. Okay. This is a way you can move the chart also. If you want to change the chart type, you can change here. Simply click on the chart, go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. You can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. Okay. You can select here the any chart. So I select here the pie chart. You can select the different pie also. So I select the second one and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see you can change the chart type also easily. Okay, that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.